India is one of the largest economies at present, and the economy is growing at a fast pace. Within the economy, the financial sector holds the key because this sector has been contributing significantly to the overall growth of the economy.
The financial market is around 800 billion US dollars, of which the fintech market itself is around 250 billion US dollars. This requires about 80,000 to 1 lakh professionals joining this industry every year. In addition, this is an industry characterized by a lot of dynamism.
Keeping this particular need in view, the Indian Institute of Management Mumbai has offered this course, which is known as Post Graduate Diploma in Financial Economics and Management.
IIM Mumbai has partnered with National Stock Exchange as the knowledge partner. We have a data lab where we get live problems from National Stock Exchange on their data set where our participants can work on.
So this particular course is unique and specialized. It is not only going to give the domain knowledge in finance, but also going to impart the managerial skills on the participants. So this one-year course on financial economics and management is divided into 4 modules. In Module 1, we have the basic courses on economics and finance. Besides, we also have a data lab in it. In the second module, we will go into the specialized courses, including the quantitative techniques and the financial modeling courses. Third module will go further into finance like financial risk management. And in the fourth module, we will have a few courses, but there will be an academic or industry project under the guidance of the faculty members. So at the end of this program, the participants are going to learn on finance, economics and management, especially the latest trends in the sector like fintech, apply the quantitative techniques like financial modeling, also able to strategize for the better growth of the financial sector, largely demanded by the industries in India as well as abroad.
This is an online program. These classes are going to be live. However, there is a week in-campus immersion which involves in-person interactions and classes, visits to the National Stock Exchange and SEBI. If you want to jumpstart a career in finance or want to stay relevant in this ever-dynamic field, this course is for you.